built the third Beis Hamikdash?
Let's start first with the sources. Rashi and Tosfos and Masechta Sukkah, they say that this building, this structure of the third Beis Hamikdash, Binyan Zeh Ha'asid Sha'anu Mitzapim, this building that we are awaiting, Banu Yumishuchlol Yigale V'yave Mishamayim, is going to come and be revealed and come down from heaven fully built. This is also what the Zohar says. The Zohar explains that the reason why the first and second Beis Hamikdash were not everlasting, whereas the third Beis Hamikdash will last forever, is because the first and second were binyana de varnash, they were buildings of human beings, and therefore they also were limited, whereas the third Beis Hamikdash is binyana de kuchabrichu, it's a building of Hashem himself, and therefore it will last forever. From all these three places, we see that it will be built by Hashem and it's going to come down fully built from heaven. The Rambam writes in Hilchos Melachim that one of the signs of Mashiach that will show us that he is Mashiach is the fact that Yivne Mikdash Bimkaimai, he'll build the Beis Hamikdash in its proper place, which means that Mashiach will build the Beis Hamikdash. And the Rabbi explains that in essence there's not really a contradiction between one and the other. The Rambam is a book of halachas. According to the halacha of Torah, there's a mitzvah to build the Beis Hamikdash. The mitzvah is incumbent upon the Jewish people. And by the way, it's incumbent upon the Jewish people as a whole. It's a mitzvah which is on the klal, on the entire Jewish people. Mashiach is the one who is leading us, and he's the one who will represent the Jewish people in leading, or at least bringing about the building of the third Beis Hamikdash. The Zohar, Rashi, and Tosfos are talking in the deeper idea and the deeper concept of it, which obviously is going to have to be a building of Hashem, and that's why it will last forever. How do we put the two together? And the Rabbi explains that there are a few different ways of reconciling the two. Either the entire building will come down from Shamayim, Mashiach will put up the gates, and the one who puts up the gates of the building, it's considered as if he put up the entire building. Or that the Beis Hamikdash will be built by Mashiach, and then inside it there will come the spiritual Beis Hamikdash that will come into it. In other words, it has both aspects, so the spiritual part of it will come into it. Or in other ways, that there are certain parts of the third Beis Hamikdash that we don't know how to build, so Mashiach will build whatever we do know, and the rest will be revealed and come down from Shamayim. And a third thing, which that's also regarding the other aspect, which is called, are we building it now? The Navi Yecheskel was told, so the Medrash Tanchuma says, that Hashem told the Navi Yecheskel, when the Jewish people will study the laws of the Beis Hamikdash, I'll consider it as if they're actually involved in building it. Here we have also two aspects. There's our part, learning about it, which is doing all that we can. Then there's Hashem's part, considering it as if, putting together with it, the fact that it should be as if it's being built by us. So that's also the two aspects coming together. And so all in all, we have to do our part in it. The Eibishter will do his part, and together we'll have the ultimate and eternal third Beis Hamikdash, which has both aspects in it, the part that comes from below and the part that comes from above. Together it's an everlasting structure that lasts in the physical world and changes and brings all the powers into the physical worlds forever and ever.